I'm Ed Osborne, General Manager of the Strata program.
My name's Ian Kane. I'm the Chief Software Architect of the Strata program. We're going to take you through the real-time demo of what Strata can do for you. We have evaluation boards that are produced by Semiconductor. We start the one and only Strata app. You log in with your authenticated credentials. You plug in the board. Strata reads the ID, goes up to the cloud, downloads the applications and all the content you need to properly evaluate the board. As you can see, we've downloaded and automatically installed the application so you can properly evaluate this board. At the same time, we've also brought in all the documentation you need real time. If any of this documentation changes at any time, you'll get a little email icon that says that it's changed, and you can see these updates. Once you're done evaluating, you can actually download the hard assets, cadence files, firmware files, anything you want, and import this into your external tools and begin work immediately. That is real time. That all came from the cloud. It's all synchronized immediately. Ed?
So we've shown you a very simple system, but this product applies to all of the systems we can develop, from the simple to the immensely complex. So we've got a secondary system here that's much more complicated. We just unplug Strata from one system, plug it into the more complicated system. Strata will go and download all of the documentation, software, install it, and make it ready to run right away. We now have a much more complicated user interface here for more in-depth evaluation of a much more complicated system. Inside the user interface, we have all the telemetry and control that we can possibly provide in hardware. The goal is to minimize lab time, maximize design time, taking you from days and weeks of evaluation down into minutes by bringing as much power as we can to the desk of the engineer so they can evaluate, build confidence, and start moving to the design phase. In addition to the much more complicated information that we can provide, when we go to the documentation, if we take a look at the data sheets, you can see the immense amount of additional information that's provided in the complicated system. This allows us to give you 100% of all the information relevant to the system to make sure you have everything that you need. Thank you for your time today. We appreciate your viewing, and we hope you give Strata a chance. By going to onsemi.com/strata, you can see the information and download the software application and begin using it.